Today we're swapping out the stock mirrors on the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 with these. Hey everyone, welcome back to Joy on a Bike for another installment of an install video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're doing is replacing the stock mirrors on the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 with Motogadget M.View Spy mirrors. We picked them up from Revival Cycles. I've actually been running with these mirrors for a little bit now and really like them, but for the sake of this video, to help you understand kind of what goes into the installation process, the before and afters, wanted to make this video, and so let's get to it. These are what the stock mirrors look like. Your typical, what are they called? Not rabbit ears, Mickey Mouse ears. Your typical Mickey Mouse mirrors. They look great, nothing wrong with them, but bar and mirrors really give it that cafe racer style look that we're going for. If you're looking to resell these or keep them in as clean of condition as you can, maybe try a rag, something to protect the nut. So the next step after removing the stock mirrors would be to remove the bar ends. Don't drop the bar ends like I just did. The Royal Enfields come with a spacer between the bar end and the grip, which just pulls right off. So that was a fairly easy process. They're on there, they look great. Motogadget's a little bit pricey, but you pay for quality. So again, we've been riding with these for a little bit now, so we do have some experience using them. They're clear, they don't really vibrate on this bike, And I think it's a great size. It's not too small to where you can't really see what's going on behind you, but they're not too large to where it just looks, you know, like the stock mirrors. And really happy with them. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, ask me any questions you want in the comments below, and I will catch you next time. Bye. We are going to be replacing the stock mirrors on the Royal Enfield Okay.